Assalamualaikum and welcome to this video. In this video, we will need to find this value of x which satisfies this equation. Starting with the first step, we have to move this plus 3 to the right hand side. We have 4 power 100x on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we get 67 minus 3. This implies 4 power 100x is equals to 64. You know that 64 is basically cube of 4. So on the right hand side we can write 4 power 3. Since bases are same, so we equate the exponents. 100x is equal to 3. 100x is equal to 3, and we need to find the value of x. So we must take square on both sides to remove the square root. On the left hand side, 2 is cancelled out with square root, and the final answer is x is equal to 9. Thanks for watching.